Hello everyone. In this video, we will be learning about intercepts in function notation. In order to understand what I will be explaining here, it's very important that you watch the previous video first. So if you have not watched that yet, the link is in the I button. Now, in the previous video, we have learned about x and y intercepts. Let's quickly see what these are. So I'm going to draw a graph for a random function here. So x-intercept is the point at which the graph touches the x-axis. So let's say it's touching the x-axis here. So this is going to be your x-intercept. And y-intercept is the point at which the graph touches the y-axis. So here this is going to be your y-intercept. In ordered pair, x-intercept is written as x, 0. And you can see here that the y coordinate is always going to be 0 since this point is completely lying on the x-axis. In the same way, the ordered pair for y-intercept is 0, y. Here, the x coordinate is always 0 since this point is completely lying on the y-axis. Another thing that we have studied previously is the function notation. There we studied that y is always equal to f of x. Now we are going to use this in order to write intercepts in terms of function notation. So as we have just discussed that in case of x-intercept, the ordered pair is of the form x, 0, where 0 is your y coordinate. But you have just studied that this y is also equal to f of x. So instead of saying that y is always 0, we can also say here that f of x is always equal to 0 in case of x-intercept. So this is a very important result. And in the y-intercept, the ordered pair is of the form 0, y. Now that can also be written as 0, f of x. Now you know that in case of y-intercept, the x is always 0. That means here we can replace this x with 0. That means here the ordered pair is of the form 0, f of 0. This is for y-intercept.